Okay, to make these cute Christmas trees, first of all we need about 6 of the little trees. If you're doing this, so I done this with my Cricut, so my Cricut machine just cut out the little Christmas tree. If you're just doing it like freehand, I would fold over the piece of paper, draw like half of a Christmas tree, and then cut it out because you want it to be symmetrical. And yeah, you can see I've got 6 of these little trees. And then because I was using my Cricut machine, I kind of wish I'd scored down the middle just to make this easier, but all I'm doing is just folding over, like it is a really simple craft. So I'm just folding over the Christmas tree. I actually think I went ahead and just done all 6 at the same time. And then next I just took a glue stick, but obviously if you've got better glue then go for it, but I just took my glue stick and I glued down one side. And then I grabbed another one of my little trees and I just like tried to match it up as close as possible. My trees, annoyingly, I didn't make them perfectly symmetrical, but yeah, I just matched them up. And then I just kept on going, adding on each tree, so a little bit of glue on one side and then matching up and putting on another tree. And then you'll see I just kind of pushed down flat, and I did keep it pretty flat all the way to the end just to make them like really stick together. And then you can see from my last tree, I'm just going to glue down one side of it and then piece it in and just kind of match it up. And then the last little part, I just glue down. It's a wee bit more finicky because it's like all fanned out like that. But yeah, just put a wee bit of glue on the last bit that wasn't really kind of stuck down and then pieced it together with the bit next to it. And there you go, such a quick, cute craft, and honestly it looks even better in person. And be sure to like and subscribe for more cute crafts. Bye!